Maybe you need additional substation capacity, or maybe you need to replace an existing substation. Either way, MITS is the option for you. MITS is a modular, integrated, transportable substation from Eaton. The Eaton MITS is an engineered solution. We design it to meet your specific needs. Then it's factory assembled on a self-supporting structural base, wired together, and tested as an integrated assembly. This reduces construction costs and labor, minimizes startup issues, and shortens commissioning time. And all of this happens much faster than building a traditional substation. Depending on lead time of the components, we can deliver in as little as 15 weeks. Once it's ready, the MITS is transported to your project site and set in place. Quick, safe, and easy installation. And look at the advantages. The smaller footprint allows for better utilization of space in dense locations like residential areas and industrial parks. It's reliable and safe. The built-in spill containment protects the environment, and the enclosed dead front skid mount design reduces risk from wildlife and weather-related outages. All the interconnections and grounding are inside the unit, with no live parts or grounds exposed. It's flexible. You can pick it up and move it to a new location to repurpose the asset. Or you can add wheels to create a mobile unit for emergency outages or quick retrofits. And finally, Eaton makes it a turnkey operation. We listen to your power distribution needs and engineer the unit to meet those needs. We can design, build, test, ship, install, and commission it. We can be your single point of contact. You don't have to worry about a thing. Whatever your application, oil, gas, mining, utilities, or the military, the MITS solution means time and money saved. It's ideal for crisis response, commercial construction, and campus facilities too. And behind it all, you have Eaton's reputation as a global leader in energy solutions, power distribution, and circuit protection. So whether you need to build a new substation or replace an existing one, Eaton's MITS can help provide a total package solution. We'll save you cost, time, space, and labor. Find out more at eaton.com/MITS.